do like to call this fun with a motorhome, but it's not really this bit. I think my exhaust has fallen off. If I'm right, it's something here, and that. The other thing, while I'm here, is this bit seems to be very battered, as you can see. So I'm going to try and repair that. I've also had enough of putting this mastic here, mastic there stuff. So, on the roof, even though it's January and windy, I put it on, used to glue stuff though. It went very well. Poured down with rain though last night after I put it on. But the other thing I've done is well, it's only bondaged those tape things, stretch things on at the moment, but I have to get some proper brackets. But the satellite dish seems to sit nicely there, even when I'm driving. And then there's a little knob thing, I'll show you, which you turn and you can adjust it left and right. It seems to work. So that's one good thing. I've left this open now as well. That, see? That's broken in the new battery compartment. I might have tightened it and tightened it up too much. So if I did tighten it up too much, I didn't even know you could tighten it up too much. You can get these things, which I have got some more of, which you can put here to clip and clip and clip and make some more cables. These are the cables that I had put in up 10 years ago, and they're all right, but some of them go crack, 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 and if you move them, it starts to charge the batteries better. So I don't know if there's something wrong with the cables. It might be just time to redo the cables. January is not a very good month to do that because it's cold. So yep, there we are. So, but yeah, if I redo the battery box, I think, do you know, I might even leave it to summer because I know what I'm like. It's bloody cold. So I've got 3 now. I did have 4 before, and now I've got 3 new ones. So hopefully that should be tickety-boo. Camera lead that seems to be coming out the window at the moment, but what I want to do is I want to get it to come out the bottom here somewhere, so that hopefully I can just mount the camera on the side. But besides that, she's not looking too bad. Okay, we'll go up again. And up we go, up the ladder. Oh, sorry. Right, now, on the roof, as you can see, what I've done is, hang on, I've got to get up a bit more. One more step. I have put on the roof, I've put this black stuff, and it seems to be working. But this here, along here, I think it's slightly coming in there. So I'm going to try and put some tape over that. But first, just a little drip is coming through. But here, as you can see, the water is sitting lovely. Absolutely lovely on the roof. See that? Isn't that nice? Making ripples. So, I'll just try and sweep the water off, if that makes sense. I'd like to hold on to something. I'm not going to be able to hold on to anything, am I? That's the problem. Right, let's just see if I can. No, I want to go this way. Right, I just swept it all over me here. Did I tell you? I went swimming yesterday. Right. Okay. I'm going to show you what I did. Well, eventually did. Right, so oh God, I'm out of breath. This is the bit that I think where it was leaking through. So hopefully that is sorted now. So we've got to wait for some more rain and see if it leaks through again. The front bit that I did, which is up there, See if I can get the picture to go up the other end there. It's holding not too bad. Water's still sitting on the roof. We get one drip through the skylight, roughly, I don't know, every 3-4 hours, and that's about it. So there's obviously still something there, but we'll leave that one for a warmer day. This is the stuff that I used. Peel the back off. Exceptionally sticky. I've got 2 of these. I just see it is as good as the other one.